Hey there, finance enthusiasts. If you're tired of missing bill payments or just want a better handle on your expenses, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring how to track bills in Simplifi, a user-friendly app designed to simplify your financial life. Whether you're a budgeting newbie or a pro, Simplifi makes it easy to stay on top of your bills. First things first, make sure you have the Simplifi app downloaded and your account set up. If you haven't already, head to their website or app store to get started. It's quick and free for the basics. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Bills section, usually found on the main dashboard. This is your command center for all things bills. To add a new bill, click the plus icon and enter the details like the bill name, amount, and due date. Simplifi lets you categorize bills too. Think utilities, subscriptions, or groceries, so you can see exactly where your money is going. Pro tip: use the recurring bill feature if it's a monthly expense, like rent or streaming services. That way, it auto-populates each month without you lifting a finger. Next, set up reminders to get notifications before a bill is due. This is a game changer for avoiding late fees. Simplifi even integrates with your bank accounts, so it can pull in transactions automatically and match them to your bills for accurate tracking. Once everything is set, head over to the Reports section to view your bill history, upcoming payments, and spending trends. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. Tracking bills in Simplifi not only helps you stay organized but also gives you peace of mind. Remember, the key to financial success is consistency, so check in regularly. If you run into any issues, Simplifi's support team is top-notch. Give it a try today and take control of your finances. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more money-saving tips. See you next time.